Hey guys, welcome back to my kitchen. Today we are going to cook my most favorite Muya Bai or Tripuri recipe called Muya Bai Wahan Chakhwi. It's a classic delicacy which is prepared with a combination of pork, bamboo shoots and jackfruit seeds. Don't it sound interesting? So now without further ado, let's check out the ingredients. Pork, bamboo shoots, jackfruit seeds, lemon leaves, raw papaya, rice flour paste, salt, cooking soda or khar, ginger, slit green chilies and turmeric powder. Let's start cooking. Take a deep pan, then add 3 cups of water and bring it to a boil. Once the water starts boiling, lower the flame. Add your cooking soda. However, I am using khar as it's a natural cooking soda. Now let it boil for a couple of minutes. Add your salt, turmeric powder, slit green chilies and ginger. Let it cook for 5 minutes. Add your clean jackfruit seeds and bamboo shoots. Cover and cook it for 10 minutes. Increase the flame to a medium. Add your pork and raw papaya. Stir it well, cover and cook this for 40 minutes, occasionally stirring in between. Now lower the flame, add your rice flour paste, slowly keep stirring it and let it cook for 5 minutes. Finally, tear your lemon leaves into halves. Add them into the pan for additional flavoring and let it cook for a couple of minutes. Our Muya Bai Wahan Chakhwi is ready. The dish smells fabulously fresh because of the lime leaves, and it is a quintessential comfort food that everybody should try their hand. The pork and bamboo shoots are all-time favorite. However, the jackfruit adds a special texture and satisfies your taste. This was the most requested recipe by my Tripuri subscribers and I hope I cooked it well. Now it's time for you guys to share this video and make this recipe popular.